Jamaica's meat supply could take a hit on Monday as frustrated butchers have threatened to suspend operations. This is in protest of the Agriculture Ministry's animal tagging program. Ramarda Lyons reports.
2 weeks to Christmas. Many Jamaicans are gearing up to buy meat before the last-minute rush. But cattle farmers island-wide are preparing to protest. With business butchered over the past few weeks, they plan to pause the slaughtering of animals for sale if the Agriculture Ministry doesn't ramp up tagging.
I know many farmers right now waiting to get them cow tag and they're frustrated.
Come on, we want to get them set or we can't get them set. That's through the man and now come a market, you know?
TVJ News obtained this letter addressed to the Commissioner of Police, noting a strike on Monday, December 8. On Saturday at Christiana Market in Manchester, farmers and butchers were livid.
Right now, one lady called me a sent from last week or 2 weeks ago, say him have a death in his family. And I was coming by a cow. And I can't take and go to buy a cow without no tag. And come in the police, authorize me. So right now, I go to the police, but I don't feel like going to the because right now, you can't maybe escape the government, you cannot escape police.
We think that the PM himself needs to take it up and intervene from a higher level. What is happening is that they are making decisions without the consultation of the persons on the ground, the people like us who dialogue directly with the system. As in, we face the farmers, and we also face the market.
They say the slow pace of tagging is causing them to lose big time. But the Agriculture Ministry says there's a series of parish-wide animal tagging activities aimed at strengthening Jamaica's livestock traceability, food safety, and disease management systems.
It's a good venture, but it's just not being executed properly. It's a very good venture because it will help, but it's just the way how they are going about it. Because there's no point in tagging the cow today, slaughter it tomorrow, and destroy the tags the following day. That's a waste of government money, waste of funds. So I think they need to revise the whole program and get it organized properly.
The butchers say productivity is being stifled.
They say they have enough people tagging, which I don't think is true. If they do have enough people tagging, the farmers in the bushes and in the hills and valley not getting the cow tag. We're losing business left and right. And they're not listening to us. I better we have to go forward.
But on the same day in St. Elizabeth, farmers and butchers sang a different tune during tagging by the ministry's veterinary department and the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Purdia larceny team.
A lot of people want to sell animals since and before and cannot sell it. You understand? So it was affecting it. And this is a good move that they are doing it. And I was looking forward to a move like this to get it done. Like a group of people to come in the areas and we get some tagging to.
If me pick me figure school fee fi pay, that me have to depend pan fi sell. Car broke down, I hit me have to depend pan fi sell.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.